Welcome to Lucky Wheels, a situation where a car carelessly changed lanes caused a serious accident, resulting in severe damage. A situation where a car failed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front led to an accident, causing the car to suffer severe damage. This video is created for educational purposes and includes serious incidents involving trucks and cars, highlighting the dangers of high-speed driving and the importance of traffic safety measures. These incidents have garnered global attention due to their sudden and often dramatic nature, while also emphasizing the critical importance of road safety. Let's get it on. Oh my God, what happened? I hope that driver is okay. Slow down, everyone. Yielding to each other is a good idea. Trust me.
No! What the f—
Always pay attention to the road and your surroundings at all times. Avoid driving when tired, as it reduces focus and reaction time. Maintaining a safe distance can prevent chain reactions. Having enough space allows you to stop gradually. People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this. They were obviously paying zero attention to the road, or didn't even get his attention. We cannot cut off other vehicles. When we are on the road, with a double line very risky. Folks use the 3-second rule to ensure that you have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. Never cut off or drive head-on into a truck. Pay attention to your own lane. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Defensive driving and always keeping a safe distance, folks. Well, minimize the use of brakes within the curve. Hard braking during a curve can lead to loss of control. Instead, control your speed before entering the curve.
I'm a little nervous about this. Jesus Christ. Holy shit.
You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Oh no, I will not pass a car like that because of the late deciders.
what?
Road signs should be closely observed, particularly those that indicate bridge clearances. If there is a low clearance sign, stay on the designated diversion route and try not to cross the bridge. I wondered to myself, why is everyone going faster? Stay safe out there, guys. Oh my, this is the consequence for drivers who run red lights. Please be patient. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously, because any time can be a hydroplane moment.
Stearns grew up outside of Chicago, not a drop of salt water in sight, but he remembers he was 5 or 6 when he first encountered Megalodon in the movie Jaws.
Be mindful of the center of gravity, especially when negotiating curves. Whoops cargo trucks have a higher center of gravity, making them prone to tipping. Everyone be vigilant and observant for your surroundings, especially when approaching intersections, alleys, or side streets. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Distribute the weight from your belongings evenly. Inside the caravan, avoid overloading it, especially with heavy items. Oh no, this driver is definitely distracted. Always eliminate any distractions while driving. This driver was the victim of a speeding car, running a red light. Don't beat the red light. Bro, make steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions to other drivers. If another driver cuts you off, remain calm and take a deep breath. This driver probably just got their license, which is why they're driving carelessly. Never cut into other vehicles' lanes. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1.
Oh, shit.
As long as you keep a safe distance. Even if the car in front of you stops suddenly,
Holy
you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks. If conditions become too hazard, or if you're unsafe, falling over to a safe location and waiting for the weather to improve. Avoid distractions when driving, such as eating. Using a phone, keep your eyes on the road. If your vehicle starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go without overcorrecting. Avoid slamming in the brakes, as this can worsen the slide, and everyone is alive. Folks use the 3-second rule to ensure that you have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. Let's be cautious when making sharp turns and avoid sudden lane changes. Distribute weight low and evenly to minimize the risk of a rollover.
To Macaria. I walked down the way to Lexi's. Oh.
I got that! I got that!
I'd rather do the opposite and face embarrassment than risk the lives of others around me by continuing to do that. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.